So let's go to the lime green because it's a step above the olive. Again, I was hoping the olive would be more of an olive skin tone, more of a mix between like a blush and a little bit darker, but not. Again, I love skin tones. I would love 15 skin tones. I would carry them all. So here's our lime, and here's our lime from Qualtex. So I think this is a good one to show that there's a little bit definite difference in, there we go, the thickness. This is the Deco. This is the Qualtex, and if I there's a little bit extra thickness. It feels like, yeah, definitely with blowing them up too. There's definitely a little extra dimension. It feels okay. So this is the lime green from Qualtex, lime green from Deco, and again, the reason why I'm comparing these is Qualtex is kind of the standard. Most people who've done balloons for any period, unless it's their first brand that they've ever dealt with, and because of whoever taught them said this is the brand to go to, probably started with Qualtex. They're the easiest to find. Most suppliers that I know of. I used to actually have a place near where I live in Livonia, Michigan, called A to Z Novelty, that you could actually go in and they had an aisle of just balloons. And you grab your shopping cart and, hey, I want a red, I want a blue, oh, I want the robin's egg. I mean, you just filled your shopping cart. So the reason why I'm using Qualitex is because I think most people would have access to that to use that as their comparison. But with Deco, again, it's definitely more opaque. Uh, and I would say because of that opacity, you're getting, I don't want to say a deeper color because it's not. It's very similar hues. I mean, you can barely tell the difference between the two. But when you're up close to it, again, it's just that shade more pastel. And so far, I like it. It's definitely going to be in the keeper pile. I mean, that's going to make some amazing stuff. Anything from, of course, the flowers and nature grown things. But I would love this. I can't wait to do one of my Hulks in that color to give it that look.